Good evening, Ringway. Good evening. Welcome to Ringway's Got Talent Season 9, State Level Talent Hunt under the theme Win Hard or Die Trying. We have a special theme for this 9th edition, which is A Call for Peace in Manipur. Intum Psycho really, Ringway's Got Talent Season 9 hili. Welcome Sadalaye, State Level Talent Hunt. Ringway na kum gajida mahala kaina tek thela kaina rungwi shon da klehli intum ko tongali welcome sadlaye itum psycho do wiwang ring pa ranyeng sarano ajkum 9th season hiwa special sala khaya theme we azingli muyondalaye chia khiglajka a call for peace in Manipur the muyondalaye. We are privileged this evening to have a very beautiful co-host of mine with us tonight. She is none other than Miss Papa Gachui. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Papa Gachui. Yes, she'll be my co-host for this evening. And I am Sorintan Haure. Thank you all for having us this beautiful evening. Just to make sure, Papa Gachui ini I Sorintan Haure ini na aju ranye hi than mire intum ko tongali aju ranye hili inili program hili than mi khangsak walang chungka ringpaye ningshiye, and we are privileged and today this evening to have Dr. Alison Abonmai as the chief guest of this program. He is an intending candidate of the Indian General Election 2024. Aring zinhi itume mosowa sada Dr. Alison Abonmai. He ari intending candidate akang sadalaye Indian General Election 2024 wang. Ano itumli mosowa sada razang midalaye. Also, Ali Ngasoda amang maningla. We are also privileged to have special guests. Mr. Churingam SP, social worker, Dr. Joy Rimai, social worker, Willington Vashum, he is also a social worker. Kala special guest artists are the Mrs. Zing Kumwan, Keishing, actor, Rinchan P. Duidang, actor, Pilachon Gasar, actor, Ashing Zimik, actor, A.S. Pungshin, actor, Mercy Ngalung, Ringway's first singer, Kala MK Ungchan, film director. Atumna special guest, Kala special guest artist sada ajang zinwi ranya hili ranguru midale. Thank you so much for being with us this beautiful evening.
Last but not least, we would like to thank the Ringway Village Luyurpanit Organizing Committee and Dewdrops for having us. Thank you for letting us be a part of such grand event. We are honored to be here. I would like to give you the highlight of today's program. Ringway's Got Talent Season 9 with the theme Win Hard or Die Trying. This is the opening ceremony as well as the elimination round. 21 contenders will be competing. 21 contenders will be competing for this title. Challenging salakaya tamne yang achi mi makuda akhana hili na thumi mangali performer sa chi thegi jine chui eina mathamai thui gijibana title ji sampangi jine judge ka thumne aji hi arama introduce amira judge ping la kui salag eina leida leye athumi audition yang laga mathana sa hai wangaina aji program highlight ine hidada hang midale. We shall have welcome note and presentation from the President Dewdrops, after which will be followed by speech from our chief guest. And Ringway's Got Talent Season 9 kick off by Ramjan P. Zinkai. Hidada shilag ay na zatara itumi program hi. Shilag ay na gachimane. Kashiva mashumra ko. Kiwangla jika ato magda akana ka pizzagi jine. Chena, I would like to request the audience once again. Chingri ay na katom kami pashi masase. If you are enjoying the show, show us you are enjoying the show. Itumli chitelo no tumring pada la ye giji jimning ka hilika khangning hila vai shiaura jena na thumi support chi how ko phok aina how phok ta katang aina tang da le milaklo. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Ringway's Got Talent Season 9. May I call upon President Dewdrops for the welcome note.
Hello. Hello, Iram Naubing. Ring Pali Kre. Rungiska Talent Season 9. Itu mi lirup hit cry nang soda itu mi Rungiska Talent Season 9 hila rasung gazang haire. Itu ajeng ya itu mi Rungiska Talent Season 9 hi hopo kawai kala itu hi aju witness hakwai itu ramping kaine. Jena jiling soda itu mi I would like to on behalf of Teardrops Rungiska Talent Organizing Committee, would like to acknowledge and welcome each and every one of you, especially to our chief guest, Dr. Ellison Abomai, intending candidate MP Lok Sabha, Outer Manipur. We'd like to thank you, sir. Though you have a busy schedule, thank you for landing in our village. Lungli itu miyon kita le de kene akama kala aji itu witness hang bis ne rungi ku kala iram naubing na tum psycho learning sie itu mi da kamong so kami katam kuni to sokrat ke pingli ka to men ng so da itu mi hi ka platform singa khwai so kami wang rungi ku li la ring pa ning si ji mi da le ye kala itu mi ajing jin rang ru mi da kle ya itu mi special casping ning sie na tum psycho la Ram Hilichandra laga natumna hirang rumi da clay Pomreso Riping social worker Ningsie natumna Rami Kai Jivankala Juringam SP social worker Iram now Iram Arihane Iram now Iram Ngala Kwijne Mina AS Mina we Agarane Kala itumi Kyasikia Dr. Rimai Joy Trintawan Ngalung we Agara Dr. Rimai Joy ni Ningsie Rami da Klevang Kala Willington Vasum social worker natum rang rumi share da Klechivang Ningsi Midalaye Kala natum psychorally Rungiska Talent Kala Ringwi Naubing itum psychorna welcome Sadalaye Kala itumli special case artist Paula Kahai Iramli Atamakli Maikang Sakahai Irami Tech Semi Kahaya artist ping Azunya itumling Rumi Dalaye itumi itumna Mom like by Mrs. Chinkumon Kaising, actor, itumna ngunik sang kipau Ramjo Ramrin the Paula Kai movie to be actress, itumling rumi the lejungya, Ningsia mem, Unzang Kamiwang, Ringi Rupnitli, Unzang Kamikala, Ringwili Yaung, Lusit Jivang, Ningsi the Laye, Kala Irami, Yola Satwik Haya, Ringjampi Tutang, actor, Ningsie, itumi Okasali, Lakazung and John Mikaine, Kala Nalila, Latvisita. Rungiska Talent, Teardrops, Vimatuna, welcome Gasan and Soda Iram Lila, welcome Sally Sidalaye. Kala, a John Pilaton actor, a John Pilaton Gasar, actor, Ningsie, Nala Rajan Kami, Nurum Kamichivang, Natum Psychoruna, Iram Ling, John Mikahai, Kala Ring, John Mida Klechivang, itum Natumli, Atom Gidan Siena, Soda, itum welcome Sason the Lake Hila Hangai, Kala Jen and Soda, Irami actor, Paulak and a Kalea, Kala Kratotli. Paulak and the Legasaya, a singchimic actor. Iramni Legasa, no Iramni Legasa, Kala Iram now Sakasawi, Itumikula Kamahine, Ningsie, as Pungsin actor, Ningsie, Film Kuchunkaling Rokahine, Villain Langrokahai, Pet La Sa, Makaparo Langrewe, Kuchunkan Reweka, Arilla, Ukluningaiva, Third Ariana, Matala and Pom the Kamiak, Yarona Okane, Kala Isiwi, Mercy Ngalung. Itumi first singer ne ta hang dalaye itumi first ituma matera ture ituma generation ka khungni sa ka itumi first singer da itum acknowledge sa dalaye ningsie nana itum lik to mi dakle kala nana itum ring sang mi ka hai psychology wang ringwi nauping kala Teardrops na ningsi kala na tumli welcome ji sa dalaye itumli langmai da itumli special appearance sa mi kwai ningsang ngakang iramli Arui tangkuli Paulagan leda kaya ning sang ngakang ning sie rajang mikai iram now ringwis ka talent mion kji da ali jiham me an ring palagan na miami jiwang na welcome sadle ning sang kang kala sang kang itu mi khni thotli kira salagen le de kriya sang kang le ning si ji mi da le itum li ajeng jin kala itu mi ringwis ka talent 9 hili ho sami gi de le de kriya atang lang ni ngai re kai na aksi welcome ka signing so da tu drop si mathune na welcome ka signing so da sorentan haure you miss it lak hang so now chau mning ne facebook le take rong ne ka ronaldo we fans kan sang ro kau gi da jili take rong ne arui la ronaldo fans sat ti fe ning sie azagum la matalagan than mira da ra khai ne ning sie kala itumi papa gji itumli atom gji da rungis katalen li atom gji da so mi da klei papa gji nali iram naw ping na leislake ning si nan ra jang kmi jiwang le itun nali welcome sat le naw da la kulam hai kai ramak la pam house gi la hangai da le kala chat sami gi da le da khaya itumli sorry chan na khete music director eco school of music tuning art chiwi director sat khaya amai sorry chan sir lo hok bai kala amai lo hok bai ning sie isiwi le ra jang mi da chingum chi da ngrum mi aju season 9 hilila welcome sat le ko janali kala itum ring palagana kupsang khwai itum kala ring palagana so ba sei ji hila hangai and also I would like to say a thank you to our James Ramai founder Kutwi Music Project one of the best male singer I have witnessed. He will be singing tomorrow. You will be witness his voice. Iram nauping awe akrok jing rai salo akama ana rak satran jili ta ana thai naure na tumi awe akrok khamata ji. Thank you James Rumai for coming. And also itumili khesya salgar rajang mi da kleya song simrung sung ningsie nana azagum la isi rajang mi da isili gutom mi isi ringwis ka talent season 8 bibinali rubaru Mr. India rubaru ka bangli ko wale la khuita mi azgum la nana itumli rang rumi da khle kala nana itum rang sang mi da khle hiwang itum welcome sadle ye itum pang sin la ka otsaba sei ji hila nalila hangai natum psycho ruli ram naubing kala itum rajang khai natum itum psycho ru itum ringwis ka talent season 9 hi ring pala gaina akamaina ji hi witness sal gaitum kupsang sei ji hang ke hena khangjang sauge. Thank you.
Presentation atam kashiga kuika say we shall take this time for presentation. For this, may I call upon President Dutrops Mangashang and co-convener SE Rising on the stage. President Dutrops Mangashang and convener SE Rising on the stage. And co-convener Michael. I repeat, may I call upon Mangashang, President Dutrops, convener SE Rising, co-convener Michael. As I call out your names, please come towards the stage and receive our leader gift of appreciation. First, may I call upon our chief guest today, Dr. Alison Aponmai, intending candidate, Apang Kapemaman Sekamamanda, MB Lok Sabha, Outer Manipur.
Ringway Village Authority nila Pangran Sami Khwai stage li Kamilo the request sadale. Would like to request the chief guest to kindly remain standing on the stage. The Village Authority of Ringway would like to hand over a token of appreciation. Ringway Kuwi headman Kuira Atem Ashim really stage li Khwai request sadale.
Dr. Alison Aponmai, Honorable Chief Guest, Ringway Rilupanit, and the 9th Ringway Got Talent 2024 ki function sida lengbira iba akhoi gi ikai khumnabagi masak oiraba Dr. Alishan Apon Maibu Ringui Khunja Mayam gi on behalf of the organizing committee na harau jaba phongdok chari siga loina na chief guest na awaba mayam ama khanglaga mafam sida yobirakpagi tamakta akoina kari amatasu piba ngamjadragasu akoigi nungsiba amasu appreciation ki khudam oina khudor khara ama akoigi hojik ikai khumnanaba chief guest ta Rammunga Amtem A Shimrena Khudor du pipinaba aina request taujari
Thank you so much. I request President Teudrops, co-convener and convener to remain standing on the stage. May I request our special guest, Churingam SP, social worker on the stage. Churingam SP, social worker, will be followed by Dr. Joy Rimai, social worker. Dr. Joy Rimai, social worker, please come towards the stage. Dr. Joy will be followed by Willington Vashum, social worker.
Special guest artist Minglila Teudrops na pangran sami khwai ngranai dleye ina aming pashok miuman ke na thumna stage li kha kamiuman lo Karesa da Zingkumwan Keishing actor Zingkumwan Keishing actor na stage li pangran kha ka khwimilo ka khania le Ringchanpi Duidang, actor. Yarina Banka Kapena, Soda Katomise.
The doctor was here to
Han là sai phát này đấy, đây đi.
doctor le han sai phát nào cái nằm đây cái
Han sai phát cái vậy.
nuôi xe ba cha nhăn như thế là cơ khờ chốt vì la cái phần đi mua
Da mai la jing nai se jo sastino
Background later the actress si. Aricham ka khui khaya Kareli ka kaya Mrs. Zingkumwan Keishing Gagatumale Pilachon Kasar actor.
Mơ
Ali, A.H. Pungshin, actor. Katurugali, Mercy Ngalung, Ringui's first singer. Mercy Ngalung, Ringui's first singer. Last but not the least, Mr. M.K. Ungchan, film director. That is the end of the presentation. Thank you, President, Convener and Co-Convener Dewdrops. I would like to now request the chief guest of the day, Dr. Alison Abonmai, on the stage for a short speech.
Good evening to everyone. Ingbagi yamna nungai, and I'm privileged tonight. Yam nungai masigi mapamsi. Ado ay noigi matam yam lauroige. Ay 2 points, 2 songs. Saglagadum aygi speech loizege. Ay khoigi punsida thengnaba kainaba haibane. Mi kharana minute kharagi khangnai, mi kharana tha magi zahi amai khangna busule punsi chupna khangna busule aduna aikhoi punsi ten manena hinglingai asida ishor bu yenglaga aikhoi mamang thaba adaga aikhoi gi punsi asi sin has its own consequence. Pap tawbagi mahai, for the wages of sin is death. Aduna ngasi ringoi akhoi ringoi gi sigi event asida ai lakpagi damakta noi mayambu yamna thagatchari adaga akhoi si let us yam thamna yengse akhoi gi punsi se hauji sigi rains da we should be an example. Let your light so shine before man that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Heaven is scripture da aduna akhoi gi punsi asi Mahayanma punsi oise hai. Number 1, the foundation is Christ alone. Aduna youth makai sida ngasi khoi sida talent show tawgadori basi khoi phajana hona se. Let us be determined, let us focus. Adaga khoi nishadi gi thadoksi adaga let us move forward. Akhoi kung fu da waigara, football da waigara, isai da waigara, or anything. Akhoi punsi si ishor da pisinba matamda we can prosper. Mi makai na khoi bu khang mangam gani haib se haijaningi aduna ngasigi asigi rains da leiriba. I would like to request aikhoi gi wakhan asi ishor yawba punsi ma oise haidi let us not do things that is not in the eyes of God. Ishor na pamdaba pot tu di aikhoi tawgunu si aikhoi popi thaganu si adaga aikhoi popi thabada paisa yam phanglagasu madugi mahai du yaloi pap ki mahai de asibni aduna aikhoi let us move forward adaga aikhoi มีamamam oiba punsi oisi haibse haijaningi adaga all the best to all the contestant adaga ai sida labne naina 2 points 2 songs haibne na organizing committee na som da lagpiu adaga ai kenogi authority mi su lagpiu ngasi ai si thungak pagi oina aigi khudon macha madang pijage ngasi ge first prize si aina 1 lakh pbge organizing committee da authority singda singa kayano sisla ama asom da su lady okay I am encouraged the way masigumba. Let us move forward. Adu mamang thanangai chatkadaba haibase ekhoi number 1 ishor niko ishor kaugunu si adaga ekhoi I am always there for Ringui Got Talent adaga si state level gine adana next ki Ringui asi season kayara 9 10 ki 5 lakhs say Yeah, bro. Somna sumu hum kisero. Okay. Guitar, please. Ay isay ani sakani amana ahan singi. Amana angang singi. Wadi am ngang edo bo noi matam yam lauro roige. Adana mayam taminas. Hello. On a faraway stream is the beautiful home of the soul, built by Jesus on high. Yeah, we never shall die. There's a land where we'll never grow old. Never grow old, never grow old, in the land where we'll never grow old. Never grow old, never grow old, in the land where we'll never grow old. the life crown is won, and the troubles and trials are over. All our sorrows will end, and our voices will blend with the loved ones we're gone before. Never grow old, never grow old in the land where we'll never grow old. Never grow old, never grow old in a land where we'll never grow old. Never grow old, never grow old in a land where we'll never grow old. Never grow old, never grow old in a land where we'll never grow old.
And prepare some amanda thaklagay na kahangawge nganadak lebinji ring phada lekhane panglagay na baw milo pisa cha sa mangai ji kishila light la khanga laga pang laga phe laga nganang rum se.
I grew up in the countryside, where the clear streams are flowing, where the songbirds are singing a beautiful song. One day I went to country church, our preacher read John 46. I am the way, the truth and the life. Touch my broken heart. Kneel down and pray, Lord, may your will be done. Show me the green pastures, show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. You picked me up from the dusty road and made me the gospel cowboy. Stood up for the gospel's sake, winning the lost souls for him. On the road to the pilgrimage, no one could stop me. When I remember the rugged cross, I know he's waiting for me there. With loving hands, he'll welcome me home and say, well done, my child. Kneel down and pray, Lord, may your will be done. Show me the green pastures, show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. Pick me up from the dusty road and make me the gospel cowboy. Down and pray, Lord, may your will be done. Show me the green pastures,
show me the way. Let me be the clay, 'cause you are the potter. Pick me up from the dusty road and make me the gospel cowboy. Thank you. Yam nungai.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alison Abonmai, for sharing words of wisdom and presenting us with two beautiful numbers. You could be a potential winner of this Ringwi's Got Talent if you had participated in this competition, and you have raised the bar of this competition as well. I'm sure the participants are scared now to perform on the stage, and we will also be we would like to thank you for your generosity in donating such huge sum of amount for this beautiful event. And for your kind information, Dr. Alison Abonmai has been given the title Gospel Cowboy and has visited more than 34 countries all over the world. Dr. Alison Abonmai, thank you so much once again. It's a pleasure and an honor to have you here in our midst. We wish you the best in your future endeavors. Thank you.
We shall now take this time to introduce the judges and their presentation as well. May I request the President Dutrops Mangashang, Convener S.C. Rising, Co-Convener Michael on the stage, please. May I request President Dutrops, Convener and Co-Convener on the stage. And as I call out your names, dear judges, please come towards the stage, after which you may take your respective seats.
monitor jik tina mor nai Along it was a fever, a cold sweat hot-head up believer. I threw my hands in the air, saying, show me something. Inside of you, come a little closer. Round and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how I feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. And it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. It's not much of life you're living. It's not just something your day it's given. Around and around and around and around we go. Oh, now tell me now, tell me now, tell me now, you know. Not really sure how I feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. And it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. Ooh, the reason I hold on. Ooh, 'cause I let this hold on. Found you're the broken one, but I'm the only one who needs that saving. 'Cause when you never see the light, each one of us giving. Not really sure how I feel about it. Something in the way you move makes me feel like I can't live without you. And it takes me all the way. I want you to stay. I want you to stay. Ooh. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ramjanpit Zinkai. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Ms. Ramjanpit Zinkai. Yarina pangpanglay nakshita pemil say. We are proud to learn that Ms. Ramjanpit Zinkai performed at Mr. Rubaru India 2022 last year in the month of August. Ms. Ramjanpit Zinkai hi ajakum Mr. Rubaru India 2022 li perform basakai ni India highest level li jena Ms. Ramjanpit Zinkai ni ta perform sakzati itum saiko ro mai ne ringpai. We wish you the best in your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for Ringwi's Got Talent Participant 1? Are you ready? Ringwi's Got Talent Season 9 we career participant, career performer Sada. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the Jumping Pirates.
We would like to give a special thanks to our event partners, Manipur Tourism, SSA Government of Manipur, the Indigenous Foundation, Lechil, Hillsound Delhi, the Tangkul Express, Extreme Entertainment, WOL Media, Zaisin Dance Studio, Uru, Angchon Yu Production, Ukrul School of Music. Manipur Tourism, SSA the Indigenous Foundation, Lechil, Hillsound Delhi, the Tangkul Express, Extreme Entertainment, WOL Media, Zaisin Dance Studio, Uru, Angshonyu Production, Ukrul School of Music. Special thanks to Hillsound Delhi for the sound and the Tangkul Express for the live coverage. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you the Jumping Pirates!
Hello everyone, we are Jumping Pirates. Original. Ring Kota Lini perform Savay, Katsum Regina, Yaridona, Koptoma in Soda Riot below. The Shipper Swan Highly, Missionary. Peace out.
Jumping Pirates member ne ala latest recruit ne yan ana ashu manager laria an sadak le ne Jumping Pirates na dance perform sare. Jumping Pirates is a dance troupe based in Ukrul. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Jumping Pirates.
Jumping Pirates will be followed by Songyai Chahongnam.
चाहे तुम कुछ ना कहो मैंने सुन लिया के साथी प्यार का मुझे चुन लिया मैंने सुन लिया
पहला खुमार नया प्यार है नया इंतजार कर लूं मैं क्या अपना हाल ऐ दिले बेकरार मेरे दिले बेकरार तू ही बता
Psych! That's the wrong number!
You the first thing I would choose, but the last thing I need. Girl, stuck on you, so it's so hard to set me free. You the first thing I would choose, but the last thing I need. Cause you's a liar, liar. Was the love, pain, sweat, time that made me stick when I was sick of the lie. The years, tears, smiles, fights. And now that I left you, I cried through the mic. You was quick to slip and slick and slide. I'd be surprised how you get your call. Every time you admit the seat would hit the sheets. It's suddenly we on the bedroom floor. Now you a liar. Yeah, try to call, try to leave a time, but I post along. He wasn't you the one who did me wrong. Girl, you were liar. Like the beat don't stop. First let it slide before I cut it. Let's let a little beat on top. You the first thing I choose, but the last thing I need. Girl, stuck on you, so it's so hard to set me free. You the first thing I choose, but the last thing I need. Cause you're a liar, liar. Oh, ape shit, I go ape shit on every beat. Took my ass on the boat, sold out every street. Hip hop is diabetic, just nigga.
Getting loud without you. All the shines of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough. From the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough. For me, never.
Okay? Charani, such emotion and connection to the song. You were brave to choose the song. Okay? You did well. I think I love it. We'll hear from the judges. Okay, I will give you the card. Which judge do you choose? It's up to you. Huh? It's up to you. It's up to you. Okay. The long-haired one, the middle, or the right, little fair one, or the left, the manly one. Which one? Manly one? Okay, James Riame.
Hello, my sister Charani.
Hello, good evening, sir.
The first thing I notice is that's a really beautiful effort you give up there.
Deep in my soul that I just can't lose, 'cause I'm on my way. I needed a friend, and the way I feel now, I guess I'll be with you till the end. 'Cause I'm on my way, mighty glad you stay. Stuck on you, been through the long. I guess it's time for me to get me home. 'Cause I'm on my way. So hard to see that a woman like you could wait around for a man like me. 'Cause I'm on my way, mighty glad you stay.
It's yours, okay?
Any
Okay.
thankful.
Thankful? Okay. Lam thana sir ko, Mr. Sorijan na kedi, awi ina kamen nga nang mga magtiyo shop sila. Hindi.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
因为您讲没够不起拉呢。
Thank you.
那里人家那个那位萨利什克萨了拉一粒白熊的嘞。
Shnai.
呀，那他拉了您生爱萨里口个垃圾，个当到，你样拿么子头？Maybe 那位 first hack box box 里样的的当子，么子quick buy 的大个样，maybe with the sound system 可能啷的头里样，觉得的。 Come down, tight eh? Kada chili pata eh. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, okay? Next up, we have the fifth contender, Yurimung Lungleng. Please welcome our country singer, Yurimung Lungleng.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Ring's Got Talent Season 9. My name is Yurimung Lungleng. I belong to Tamil tribe. And today I'm standing here as a contestant. And I hope everyone will keep supporting the Ring's Got Talent. Thank you.
From San Antonio, everything that I got is just what I've got on. When that sun is high in the Texas sky, I'll be bucking at a county fair. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's I'll be there. I settled in Houston, broke my leg in Santa Fe, lost my wife and a girlfriend somewhere along the way. Well, I've been looking for it when they pulled that gate, and I hope that church ain't lying. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's on my mind. Amarillo by morning, up from San Antonio. Everything that I got is just what I've got on. I ain't got a time, but what I got is mine. I ain't rich, but Lord, I'm free. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Thank you.
Mr. Yurimu, that's a very beautiful number. How are you feeling? You feeling all right? You're feeling all right? All right. Who's your favorite judge among these three judges?
Sir James.
Sir James Yamai. You have a fan here, a very big fan. How did you like his performance?
Hello, my bro.
Hello, sir.
I remember you, man.
Thank you.
The first thing is you really possess a really cool country voice.
Thank you, sir.
But the audition was really great. It was not good. It was great. The audition was great. But tonight, I don't know if it is the music or not. The music like overtake all of your vocal. it's like music is 80, your vocal is 70%. No, I don't know if the sound guys skip at the same level or not. But overall, I like you, man, and you did really well. All right.
Would you like to say anything to his comment? Are you satisfied? All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Yuremung. Pangpalai ke say sikpok highlight ram now being sikpok highla atum na hilik sikla ka thiri la na thumwi wang dal shok sami da klene itum na. The best we can do is clap our hands itum na pangpalai ke phem ka wow sangje itum we contribution ko achachi mom lai la sa say. All right, are you ready for the next contender? The next participant? Yes? All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up and welcome Ngaryoso Chipang. He'll be singing for us.
Hello people, are you Amin Ngaryoso Chipang Moye? He would go to long down with the I am a singer and songwriter. Cool. Hello judges. Hello Ringui. You are Ming Ngaryoso Chipang Hoye in a Hunbunu crew with the I'm going to do a song by Tom Petty, and the song is called Free Fallin'. All right, we've got some technical problems.
Hello Ringway. Kapiwen Twilo. Not only Kanger Sharadale, vibrate the delay. Marine Padlame la, Aju performance being Kayang Marine Padlame la. Next, see Naram Nawak and the Sarako. Katioka Mutukwilo. Here's an announcement. Right after the performance by serial number 10, we'll have a short break. Would like to let the judges know, and then there will be a felicitation right after that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Mr. Ngaryoso Chipang. The time's yours.
She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus, and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horses, and the hurricane too, yeah, yeah. It's a long day, living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yards. I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking their hearts. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. All the vampires walking through the valley, they move west down Ventura Boulevard. All the bad boys, they stand in the shadows, and a good girl, home with broken hearts. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Free falling now, free falling now, free falling now, free falling, free falling now. Wanna glide down over Bahama, wanna ride her, her name in the sky. Gonna free fall out of the nothing. Gonna live this world for a while. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Thank you.
Ngerioso Chipang, right? You don't look like a bad boy to me. The song says it all, no? Anyway, great patience and control throughout the song. Your song choice is really great. It suits you well. He is also the second runner-up of Phun Phun Got Talent. So judges, which one of you want to comment? Choice is yours. Let them choose.
Okay, sorry.
It's fine, it's fine.
Okay, I win. Okay, my brother, the first thing I appreciate is you playing your own guitar and then singing. That's one thing I appreciate about taking part in the competitions and all. And another thing is you have a really nice vocal character, right? A good control. Yeah, that's it. Good luck to you, man.
So thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was Ngerioso Chipang. Next up we have Rinchon Ahum. She will be singing for us. Naram nao ko pang may daga pemish na. Rinchon Ahum.
Iraminin jempre irumi naune. Irum katanen ni nga sare. Na ilis leksa kaya bang ningsna irumi pana. when I said I never let you go. When all those shadows almost kill your light, I remember you said don't leave me here alone. But all is dead and gone and past tonight. Just close your eyes, the sun is going down. You'll be alright, no one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Don't you dare look out your window, darling, everything's on fire. The war outside our dark is raging on. Hold on to this lullaby, even when the music's gone, gone. Just close your eyes, the sun is going down. You'll be alright, no one can hurt you now. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Ooh, la la, oh la la, ooh, la la, oh la la. Just close your eyes, you'll be alright. Come morning light, you and I'll be safe and sound. Thank you.
Rinchon, well done. All right. Ish inina sheng na da vam time ne. Ka shing tu mi jaili. Kipa na miam tham tuim rao. Ha. Okay, mom tham ne kim tham ne. Na judge kipa ning jang mai tui. Kim tham maning jang sal la. Ara ashig tu mi jaili. Na li kipa ri comment ming sa ngai. Judge Song Shim, Judge Sorry Chan, Judge James. Ngalawa baje. All right. Judge Sorry Chan nakide. Please share some thoughts on her performance.
Hello, Rinchon.
Yes.
Ringui now la sak thai trak le ko. Nala shokra rad le. Ring panai ha. Na we akon ba hak te le. Ka chui ga le. Tada Catherine kli ji. Chiki kam talak mne. Na mathash ne sa shokre. Na semi final lim ba ngai.
Bangai.
Bangai la. Taka balls yang. Okay.
Age no age. Marma na minus.
Next lag sa bali ba. Chui ga tam ne mang chi lak la jang. Na we akon ji da pang la kan sa shok le jo.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Great. Okay. One more comment from I think Tumsa the Ilis sir Song Shim ni chaki the hang no. Jen sir Song Shim nala. Say something about her performance.
Rinjon na zingkum kya do?
11.
11. Zingkum 11 na ni ya la sa he kai song hai na ya. Ari na na kte oga da na respond kai kte oga da tring kai ji kwang li jin phap tai sik nai da no. Sik nai da ha ji ka sa kai no. Ya ning la. Jen next lim thai sa lo. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay, Rinjon, Pyre judges mina comment men naram now hiya kahina nali I just support sami dak le ye. Sikli shockera yang mi dak le ye naram now pili ki hangai. Ki kam tham naram now pin to Malaysian rock salala. Next le shime rock vai salo. Naram now pili ning schneider pang lai hao naram tuina. Naram tuin sa thêm la. Okay, tang khu tuin hang yo tang khu nào xian. Okay, Rinchana home ning shere. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the 8th performer of the evening, Koshuni Aruna. Koshuni will be singing for us. Let's welcome Koshuni.
Good evening to one and all present here, respected judges. I'll be singing a song called It's a Heartache by Bonnie Taylor.
It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hit you when it's too late, hit you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Love him till the rocks break, then he let you down. It ain't right, love to share, when you find it doesn't care for you. It ain't right to need someone as much as I depended on you. Oh, it's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hit you when it's too late, hit you when you're down. It's a fool's game, nothing but a fool's game. Standing in the cold rain, feeling like a clown. It ain't right, love to share, when you find it doesn't care for you. It ain't right to need someone as much as I depended on you. Oh, it's a heartache, nothing but a heartache. Hit you when it's too late, hit you when you're down. It's a heartache, love until the rocks break, then let you down. It's a heartache.
Miss Koshuni, I can see that you were singing with emotions. Is your heart aching? Is there anything I can do for you? Yeah? Is there anything I can do to heal your heart from aching? No? Or that guy? Okay. I would like to know whom among these three judges would you like to choose to comment on your performance?
I wish to choose everyone.
You wish to choose everyone, which is not possible because you did not let me, you did not tell me whether I can do anything for you. So, one.
Song Ramsing.
Who?
Song Ramsing Rungsung.
Soram Singh Rungsung. Whosoever you are, please. Soram Singh Rungsung. Please take your time.
Hello, Koshuni.
Yes, sir. Hello,
You did
sir.
really well, but somewhere, do you think somewhere in the timing you were?
Yeah. Yes.
Right. But I should say you have a really beautiful voice, very
Thank you, sir.
pleasant.
Thank you, sir.
And maybe in the next time you should do it better.
Thank you, sir.
That somewhere thing is because your heart was aching, right? Yeah.
I think.
I sense that. Judge James, quick comment.
Yep. Without a doubt, Koshuni has a really nice voice, and I want you to have a little bit of fun while singing. All right, have fun. No, enjoy what you're doing. Bring out your emotion more. Nice job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Koshuni. You couldn't have fun because her heart was aching, no? Emotional. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you so much.
Ning chot na sa ji no hi wa ji chong yang ga na shi dewdrops with president amai manga shang mu yang rer thu ji. His heart was aching too. All right. Kata na thum signai la pangak phia khom shalak mane. Senapati when hili perform sara da ungdak le da thum hi ka sikhanga la perform sad le de. Itum pangpong mi ka phia sang mi say ari perform sa mi ki dak le next perform sa mi ki dak le la ayar wi an unga perform sa mi dak le ne. Let's welcome Kuvelu Lemai, a singer from Senapati, I think. Yes, let's welcome Kuvelu.
My name is Kuvelu Lemai. I'm from Pomai community and my performance is singing. Thank you.
Hello, good evening to all the ladies and gentlemen present here. Respected judges and to you, my dear friends. My name is Kuvelu and I belong to Pomai community and I'm representing Senapati district and I'm bearing a contestant number 9 and I'll be singing a song called That's Why You Go Away by Michael. It's a heart-touching love song. Hello.
Baby, would you tell me why there is sadness in your eyes? I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You're the one who set it up. No, you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now.
Please forgive me, I cannot able to hear my voice. I'll start in the first.
Baby, would you tell me why there is sadness in I don't wanna say goodbye to you. Love is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. You don't wanna set it up, no, you're the one to make it stop. I'm the one who's feeling lost right now. No, you want me to forget every little thing you say, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, we're lasting for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know you will never satisfy, no matter how I try. No, you wanna say goodbye to me. Love is one big illusion I should try to forget, but there is something left in my head. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, will last for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know, yes I know. Sitting here alone in the middle of nowhere, don't know which way to go. There is so much to say now between us. There is so much for you, there is so much for me anymore. I won't forget the way you're kissing, the feeling so strong, will last for so long. But I'm not the man your heart is missing. That's why you go away. I know. That's why you go away. I know. Thank you.
Kuvelu, come back, come back. Kuvelu, come back. Who went away? Who went away? Tell me, who went away? We'll find her. Or he. Nobody? It was just a song, right? Miss Papa Gajui said, love is indeed an illusion. Is that true?
Yes, it's really true.
Yeah? Yes, it's true. All right. We'd like to take a comment from Mr. Sorichan Nakede about your performance. Ngalanawi ningjang mayala. Jena han kai ni.
Okay. How do I pronounce your name?
Kuvilu Limai.
Kuvailun.
Yes, sir.
In my opinion, your performance is better than your singing.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, so you're a great performer, And then I love this song, and I've not been hearing this song for ages. So thank you for singing. Yeah, please come back again. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Kovelu. And take care of your knees. You might have hurt. I'll take care of the stage. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, best wishes. Nashi stage deck na karyang abok taji. Zingum over here. I think it has to be an iron stage. All right. Just before we take a short break, I mean, just being hila, ayar sugar shock ngai jile jine, jena, he will chili itum. Few minutes break later. So just before we take a break, contestant number 10, let's welcome Yirlei Kashung, a singer. Yirlei Kashung wang pang panglain ka pemi laka welcome sakwisei.
Yirlei Kashung ye, ilhan ye, ilhan kotalini lasa kai kane. Holche. Trong ly và ngâu pin nên nếp xiêm ri chinh bay cái chi đờ là sai con rây con răng ở sân đờ ninh mà yung na li lấy cái xia na li phơ ninh ung đờ ngân la mất xa mây phơi chắc phơi chỉ chẳng ánh mây cứ dinh cực cũng là sai one rêu quy mình ở rốt xe ninh mình ở rốt tờ cơ dinh cơ cũng đã xa rung sơ hấp hụt lì lâu
Arichi Yirlei we kongwe maning mane music na ne how pog milu shit lo yari na Yirlei wang pang palai ka phem milu shit lo thala la music ti thamang wi milu lo
sai con rây con răng ở sân đờ ninh mà yung na li lấy cái xia na li phơ ninh đờ ngân la mất xa mây phơi chắc phơi chỉ chẳng ánh mây cứ dinh cực cũng là sai one rêu quy mình ở rốt xe ninh mình ở rốt tờ cơ dinh cơ cũng là xa rung sơ lấy ngay lấy什么有个张力lấy ngay lấy是那位在在的lấy ngay lấy是那位那冷里lấy
ô year lệ ô kiu wang lệ xí chả lệ ngay gì lệ ha
Ye lệ xiêm lệ nè.
đâu mà lệ mà nè thế ye cái kiu wang chả cái lệ ngay gì lệ gì nè lệ xí lệ ngay đó là sao cái chả là cái chỉ làm yêu cái chẳng lệ hăng luôn thở quý ra chứ hăng
Asın ya hình là hủy bom cái gì đó.
Chị ba xin nào cái gì? Nó khi nào đó? Rihanna nào nè? Ok. Nên là uklung li lấy xí lấy ngay gì chị ba là chị ba chứ là.
Mang bol cho.
Ok. Yêu khiôn sai ra hàng ba khai vang cơ lấy xí chứ. Nhưng thằng này uklung thằng này lấy ngọc xíu. Đấy. Cho no performance he will comment me why not judge kipali ko pang mai do you want Mr. James or Mr. Sorichan or Mr. Songshim Mike Li Hang Song aming ba ji kipali
Mr. Songshim
Shungai re je Mr. Songshim please
Songshim ji nó vì la he khi bạn ở bằng mình nè
in cái bằng quy rất là
la he la cái khlat mà thấy
nè
la cái bằng đâu
ai nè la cái bằng đâu bằng cái chỉ là người sao cái bằng cái gì nữa phạm ta là cái thao gì chỉ là so ngay mi nó mà ta lại perform sai rồi hả mấy gì nào
thấy lo
Yari being select some round
Sure.
Yari na decide sao nào chứ về, yeah. Select some round lên.
Some round nữa.
Chỉ là, mà thằng nào sai rồi, số ngày này.
Select some sao lần là hủy thay rồi chứ nào. Alright, Judge Sorichan, nên là khi hàng ngày ishi yearly performance.
Hello yearly. Hello yearly.
Yes sir.
Oh. Nó rupe tiger lim thế.
Thấy nữa.
Nó 어제 심ring ông làm gì nào?
Bạn 할래. Thấy nữa.
Ấy tơ, nó hi. La sát thế nào đấy? La thắc nắm quê luôn.
La thắc nắm quê luôn chứ.
Now the dragon là correct.
Cho. Nơi nè, song yai cho hàng nào nên đi compete sơ go. Ok?
Thằng
Yes
rap.
sir.
Rap song chok sao vậy thế hả? Mày nên đi ngủ mưa kia gì này ơ. Alright, ring we ba shine adopt sa ka sao lu. Nó siêu về movie ka kabli season bay re ari khikla samkhok part 2 che. Chili first ka pathat ka tha shiman ka hai naw ka tha li season mi bay re. Ta la phawng thai ra. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, yearly wang pang lai ka phemi lo. Chong pa. Ning shnar ko. Tùy là hàng vai lắm thấy tụi này, ít thằng nào mà xong phẳng lag ra ngày miền lên. Alright, I would like to give the time to Miss Papa Gajui for felicitation.
The judges may take a short break. Let us take this time for felicitation. Felicitate via Atom Kwikase. For this, may I call upon our chief guest, Dr. Alison Abonmai, intending candidate, MP Lok Sabha, Outer Manipur, to do the honor. First, we have NG Salmon of Ringui Village, honored with National Award, Sangeet Natak, Academy Amrit Award in the field of tribal music, dance for his folk music from Manipur State. Ana stage chilika mamanda ishi chief guest maram likiti oka hangai our chief guest is the best Social Reformer Awardee of the Year from Northeast. He has planted 5 lakh trees in Konsaram village, Manipur. He has written more than 300 songs. He wrote the first Naga comic book. He has supplied food to 12,850 families during COVID-19. He is a really dynamic leader. We hope and give you our best wishes for the MB election. Praying for the best. Yeah, may I call upon NG Salmon of Ringoi Village, honored with National Award, Sangeet Natak, Academy Amrit Award in the field of tribal music, dance for his folk music from Manipur State. Followed by MK Unkating of Ringoi Village, elected as the executive member of MFDCC, Manipur Film Development Corporation Complex. Followed by Soyaula A. Shatsang of Poi Village. Awards: 61st Mr. Manipur Women Model Physique Overall Champion and the 14th Mr. India 2024 Women Fitness Model Physique Bronze Medalist. Yarina Pang, she is the 61st Mr. Manipur Women Model Physique Overall Champion, the 14th Mr. India 2024 Women Fitness Model Physique Bronze Medalist. Congratulations. And next we have Chingri Kapai Shimra of Kazipung Hungpung. Chingri Kapai Shimra of Kazipung Hungpung. Awards: 61st Mr. Manipur Women Model Physique Bronze Medalist, 14th Junior Mr. India 2024 Women Model Physique 4th place. I repeat, 61st Mr. Manipur Women Model Physique Bronze Medalist, 14th Junior Mr. India 2024 Women Model Physique 4th place. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yari ishiwi mukuprange contender thara participants thara kupsanga haine arila thara da akhawat fiye chi aina ungmi haila masamra hawgphogen habokta katangai na tangda yang room laka akhama hi khipana kang yi khla ga ji na thumi choice la sangsal pa yang chi aina phaning mi ai salo na ningchang mai thui ji ji participant pa ji machut mi ai salo wi number la machut mi ai salo chi aina ithum kapang room se kshi ka pre khui laga ri hapok lior ishi judges ping ung jene ithumi hi continues as Yari nagshika break kui hili ning shangwe ena lang nangrum say Mermaid of all say ne
Hello, Jake. Hello, hello. Hello, Jake. Hello. Okay, Ram Now Bing. Maring Balik Lay. Okay,你写的。Aring ya tan mi dog lay. Horse can you wang apang mak kape mi ngai lay. Kape sang? Okay, 你写的。In a la ka sami ge. Are mo only mere sami ge yo. Are 사태 그 상황에서 이 컴피티션은 거의 럼나뱅 인터텐 사세 양 릴렉스 사세 오케이 Music, please. Có tuôn có sốt mà thấy lấy cái gì là duy hai đời người ya cái cha người san ga de lấy gì mày phần cái chung de lấy gì nín lắm mà song ở chơi hai đời lấy gì cái chân càng thủy cái hai phần ly Oklung na nali handalay Nali paning undalay Never ili Mama chuti do Atam ka sanga tui haira Malay haura te paning Ka oklung ilay siya Hina mamaya X nào khởi vững trả bằng hăng cho Ngờ bàn cái giờ đã lấy truy lý Bàn cái giờ đã mất xì lý Ô công nguy tuy Hàng chỉ phun được khi ca na Ngờ ninh sắp brother burning Mơ lại sắp brother burning Ka lấy cái gì khi ya ka chốt đi đây ô cùng nên đi hăng lại nơi đi ngung đời never ili mơ mắt chút đi đâu à tâm cái sao là tuy hay ra mà lại hao được tập burning ka úc lung Malaysia hina mamaya ke paningai ke hai uklong hina nari hangalay never ili wa paning mong lido atam tu haira son ke thla son lira ke ini wilayah mà yêu cái cha nó ra lì ra xuân cái thơ nó xóa lì ra cứ ý ni quy lấy xa mà ôn lì mà ra Nigeria
Ring we are show Mr. Ning Shang Kang Wang ituna pang may da pangak si Pemisla Ring we mang maning mane Tangku yar shola ke nui rock shortly tisang da klay chung khalay da klay ne ring we here talent chung ka klay ya khua khang sai talent jika lag salila movie ka kabli la lari ka themli la achuk pai da klay ya khua khang sai ring we ka tha khu tangku li chung mai do shokro no te kham te extraordinary mi chung mai do shokro no ji tung dong we ka ji han ne ning share we would like to take a short moment for another round of felicitation Aruhi Kashika felicitate Sakvatam Kwikangai Dele, Mr. M.K. Unkating of Ringway Village, elected as the executive member of MFDCC, which is Manipur Film Development Corporation Complex. I would like to request the chief guest of the day, Dr. Alisana Bonmai, to kindly felicitate Mr. Unkating on the stage. Thank you. Yarina Pangak Pienang Rumi Vaisase Mr. M.K. Ungating he Manipur Film Development Corporation Complex with executive member Aksada Kapanga Kaine Arichi Wiring Pasada Achu chief guest Dr. Ellison Abunmaina felicitate Sakamine. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the next contender? Are you ready? Next contestant, we welcome Sakwik Vai to Napang Panglain Kapemi say. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I present you Miss Mirinwan Pungshok.
Hello everyone, my name is Mirinwan Pungshok and I'm from Sing Sui, and I got this entry card to represent Ringway Got Talent. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Check.
Five years and my life is still trying to get up that creepy hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of these brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so I cried sometimes when a line of best to get it all out was in my head, and now I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I'm screaming top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? And I try, oh my God, so I try all the time in this institution, and I pray, oh my God, so I pray every single day for revolution. And so I cried sometimes when a line of bells to get it all out was in my head, and now I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream on top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, hey, yeah, 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 hey, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on? Years and my life is still trying to get up that creepy hill of hope for a destination. Thank you.
Mirinwan, what's going on? What's going on? La, what's going on? The side ka kahang milo to yaro na pina hangle. What's going on in your love life, Yosaka? Ha, kaksi shile ya. All right. Judges being jaili. Kibali comment ming sangai le no ari performance.
Middle one.
The middle one. Short hair chose the long hair. All right. Judge, sorry, Chan Nakede.
Mirin one.
Yes.
La kom shunang kasaji na wen te leko. Jena, na ba RGT li magzang na pamere. Na ba already winner ne. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Cho, laga gaji shong kira olo. Yes, yeah. All right. Are we on comment me guysly? Would you like to say something? You are already a winner, Jericho.
I should say thank you.
Okay. Mirin one we want your cycle na pangpang line ka Milo. She has done well. Thank you so much. Okay. Rupai yar shwa ko na menao sara. Mong na ngai li. Ari ji Mirin one hi jing sui wen ne. Sambu area. Kigla jing show wag na. Ara rupai we na. Let's welcome Mr. Toting Soro.
Hello, my name is Toting Soro. I'm from Chingdor City and I am the winner of the Replay Got Talent 2024. So I got the wild card and I'll be going to represent the Replay Got Talent.
Promised a lifetime, but left in a moment. I wonder if you even think about me. I told them a lifetime, cause I'm barely floating, stranded and broken. You know you got me lost in the dark. Is it too late? Is it too late for us? You know you got me lost in my heart. Is it too late? Is it too late for us? Oh, why'd you get me so high, to leave me so low, to leave me so low? Oh, I was wasting my time, hoping you'd call, but damn you're so cold. Oh, why'd you make me feel safe, just to walk away, just to let me go? Oh, why'd you get me so high, to leave me so low, to leave me so low? You look like an angel, thought I was in heaven, but now I'm just falling without you with me. I barely thought less, was trying my best, but trying my best, but you know you got me lost in the dark. Is it too late? Is it too late for us? You know you got me lost in my heart. Is it too late? Is it too late for us? Oh, why'd you get me so high, to leave me so low, to leave me so low? Oh, I was wasting my time, hoping you'd call, but damn it's so cold. Oh, why'd you make me feel safe, just to walk away, just to let me go? Oh, why'd you get me so high, to leave me so low, to leave me so low? Oh, I'll never love again, I'll never love again. Oh, I'll never love again, I'll never love again. Oh, why'd you get me so high, to leave me so low, to leave me so low? Oh, I was wasting my time, hoping you'd call, but damn you're so cold. Oh, why'd you make me feel safe, just to walk away, just to let me go? Oh, why'd you get me so high to leave me so low, to leave me so low? Thank you.
Replay now ka hai ne. Okay, Thotting Sorrow is the winner of RKL Talent Hunt 2024. Congratulations. I can literally listen to you sing all day long, but that is not possible. So, Judge James, please comment.
Hello, my bro.
Hello, sir.
You have a really captivating, broad voice.
Thank you, sir.
That's a gift, man.
Thank you, sir.
Another thing I noticed is every details that you sing, you nailed it.
Thank you.
And
Thanks.
I saw on our papers that you are the winner of the RKL Got Talent 2. That means obviously you deserved it. And then, just like our host just said, we feels like we are already listening to a pre-recorded song, man.
Thank you so much,
Good
sir.
job,
That means
good
a lot
job.
to me.
So I think I'm seeing you tomorrow again. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. That was Thotting Sorrow. Next up we have Blessing Comes On. He will be singing for us. Please welcome Blessing. Blessing Comes On.
Hello, Jake. Hello, Jake. Hi, and good evening to all the respected judges who are seated in front of me and everyone who are present here. My name is Blessing Kamson, and I belong to Rongmei tribe. For today's performance, I would be singing Jason Murray's "I'm Yours." Right.
Well, you done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be cheap, but you're so hot that I melted. Fell right through the cracks. Now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool don't run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. And look into your heart and you'll find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, people dance and sing. We're just one big family, and it's our God-forsaken right to be loved, 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 loved. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to complicate. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. La 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 la. Hey. I've been spending way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backward just to try to see it there, but my breath fogged up the glass. So I drew in the face and I laughed. I guess what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and just go with the season. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Thank you.
Mr. Blessing comes on. You are blessed with a very beautiful voice.
Thank you, sir.
By any chance, are you related to Leander Kamson?
Yes.
Ah, really? What about Joseph Pauline Kamson?
No.
No?
Sadly.
I think they were related. He was the DC of Ukrul. Ani kanili tangkun now na teis Leander lag sa by na Joseph Ukrul DC sa baje. All right. Who would you like to comment on your performance from these three judges? Who's your favorite?
Not to be unfair to the other judges, but I would choose the first one because he's the first.
Very diplomatic, very diplomatic. Which one? The first one in the sense,
Sir James Riamai.
James Riamai. All right. Mr. James, your comment on Blessing's performance, please.
In a competition, I really appreciate people who plays their own stuff. I mean, their own instruments. And I appreciate my brother, Mr. Blessing, to be doing that again. And no doubt you have a really nice voice. And I feel that, we would be seeing you again soon.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Good job, man.
Great. Blessing, do you see yourself performing in the semifinals?
It's all God's plan.
Okay, very diplomatic again. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you
You
so
can
much.
be a good politician someday, in case.
Hopefully.
Yes. Yeah? All right, all the best, Blessing. See you. I think you have got lots of fans over there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the next contestant, Ngamku Hring Anal from Chandel, a dancer from Chandel. Let's welcome Ngamku Hring. Pangpang make PSA Chandel wena itum le entertain sak vai, le perform sak vai rat le ko.
Hi everyone, my name is Echeng Ngomkring. I belong to Anal community. I thank Ringu's Talent Season 9 for choosing me as one of the candidates. Thank you. Thank you.
Performers ping na mathamai da perform sa pai vai da volunteers ping na sakla kai na arrange sa mi de le hi mi kai khawang sangai la khaim ning sala pai ka full effort mi lagai tha da itum performers ping disturbance like vai da sam tham mi da klai yar show ko tum vai tum pang pang lai ke phe mi sala. Yes. Ringui naw ma khaning kya kharat lek la cha Ringui naw ma khaning kya kharat lek le nganing ka milo Ringui naw ma khaning miak sing ning ka milo Ringui li phazara da khrab ing ja shi pang akshimang ning ka milo. Okay, Ringui naw ping na pang pang lai ka phe me ko athum li welcome sa khui say athum li appreciate sa say naram li chanra da kle. All right, our contestant here is ready. Let's welcome with a big round of applause. Pang pang lai phe welcome sa khui sa le.
Going on the internet and checking a new hit, me get up. First shot to the strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. No, y'all can't copy it. Glad moonwalking in this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway and we did it all way. Chrome music. I shed my skin and put my bones on everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on.
जो लहू मेरा बहता चला देखो जुनून मेरा कहता चला ख्वाबों का थामका जो बहता चला
बेजुबान कब से मेरा बेगुनाह सहता मेरा
बेजुबान कब से मेरा बेगुनाह सहता मेरा
The pain, the fear, the shouts, the tears. I wanna make my life look peaceful and clear. Me, you, who wanna live here, so just let me be.
बेजुबान कब से मेरा बेगुनाह सहता मेरा बेजुबान कब से मेरा बेगुनाह सहता
Ibu kapa yang gapang pekepimi man salo jo. Thank you, thank you. Signai the may lumbam sakai. Papa ini je. All right. Are you proud of your performance? Very much. Great. Let's see what our judges think about your performance. Mr. Song Shim Rung Sung, what do you think about his performance?
Well, honestly, what is your name again? Ngam Kuring, right? I should say that was a really, really spectacular performance.
Thanks, sir.
And you have got a lot of energy. Above that, you have put your emotion in it. Dance is not only about dancing and like grooving around and stuff like that, but it's also putting your emotion in it, and you have put your emotion on
Thanks,
it.
sir.
So I really appreciate that, and it was really good. I love it.
Thanks, sir.
Do you see yourself in the semi-finals? Do you think you'll be selected in the top 10 tonight?
Yes, of course.
I appreciate your confidence. I wish you the best. Thank you. Thank you. All right. I think you should year late. Confidence come on now, Jay. Okay, let's welcome another talent in the form of a beatbox. Let's welcome Nepuni Ashihe from Senapati.
From our community, and my performance will be beatbox. Thank you.
The judges, and to all the Ringway village. And I say tonight I'm gonna do a beatbox. So this is shout out to all my brother UBK who are watching online now. So let's check out.
3, 2, 1, go. Lower down. RGT, are you ready? Here we go. Lower down. Humming. Beat. Together. Okay, now let's play some DJ. Are you guys ready? I see you guys to the left, to the middle, to the right, to the back, to the front. And I see the judges. I don't go with the busy flow. When I don't jam, everybody get bombed. Bottom pull to the pussy, pull to the punch, jump, put it in the pump. Bottom pull to the pussy, pull to the punch, jump, put it in the pump. Bottom pull to the pussy, pull to the punch, jump, put it in the pump. Bottom pull to the bottom pull to the bottom pull to the bottom pull to the bottom. I don't roll with the same old flow. When I don't jam, everybody get bombed. You control line this long. You're top line. So next I'll do a percussion light, which means I'll imitate the sounds and that will be showing the screen. Thank you. Good.
Nepuni Ashihe. Mesmerized by your natural vocal music. I feel like I could run a marathon with those musics, but I think you have given your all today. Do you have anything new tomorrow? I'm just asking.
Yeah, sure.
I'll be surprised. Really, I'll be surprised. Yes, please come here. I'll be surprised. So I think, how do you feel doing those sounds? Do you feel like you'll be going to the semi-final and grand finale?
Yeah, I hope so.
Hands up for the confidence. Let's hear from Song Shim.
Yes, sir.
All right, your name is Nepuni, right?
Yeah. That is my name actually. Ashihe is my name. Yeah.
That was an awestruck performance.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
And I should say till the last part, I was at least not so convinced. But coming to the Venom, I don't know what to say. It was too good. It was really good.
Thank you.
Yeah. After the Venom comes the horse and the speaker. Wow, such an amazing performance. All the best for tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow again, for sure. Something new tomorrow, right?
Sure.
I'm waiting for that, okay? Thank you so much. Next up, we have Lana K. She will be dancing for us. Area, Zaisin Dance Studio, Uru, Angshonyu Production, Ukrul School of Music, 3-in-1 Hotel, Pungritang, Ukrul. Thank you so much. And once again, special thanks to the Tangkol Express for the live coverage and Hill Sound Delhi for the sound. Thank you so much. Ashim Divang again. Actually, the panglagi na pangkapemis ne. Kya kagasig hili itumli mathamay dasaji take vaida tum nangaran ni yesa mi dakle jivang ning chie. Are itum na welcome sa kui lushitse Lana K.
Yeah, my connection and sent my wrist back to leave bitches. Get my drip back, we Ferrari with that. Like to look back when he hit that ass and thighs. That's where I'm thick at. Told his ex she ain't getting that thick back. I call Bayo where that stick at. Tell that boy come get his shit back. If they act up, we gon' fix that. My new nigga ain't with that chit chat. You know you ain't getting your bitch back. When I do it, bitch, I did that. Wish a bitch would, I ain't taking my wish back. This cost half a ticket, piss tax. Big go Draco for a mishap. It's a Barbie on my wrist hat. I ain't at the bus stop. My niggas bust back. VVS is but bustin'. Ass so fat it's but bustin'. Back so full it's but bustin'. Driving foreigns, bitches bustin'. I'm tryna ball, I just caught me some hoops. Blonde on my inches, brown on the roof. Candy apple, sticky red bag, not the fruit. Cop me them cute double C's on my boot. I'm a little bitch, go shopping till I'm finished. Send me with the AMX, I don't need a limit. Everybody 700, this is not a rental. Yellow Lamborghini coupe, this is not a lemon. I fuck Rose upon the scarf, Burberry, Syria, don't ever take a loss. Big boots, I like it real big, stick up in the clips. If it's giving with it, put that, I might put it on the lip. VVS is but bustin', ass so fat is but bustin', back so full is but bustin', driving foreigns, bitches bustin'.
Excuse me, miss, what's your name? I don't wanna tell you the same old thing. Drop it low, make it pop. I can do this all night, shorty. I don't wanna stop. I need a go, girl. I need a go, girl. Go, girl. Go. I need a go, girl. Black water, yellow bone, watching what they really on, bringing major fitty home. Ooh, what's poppin'? And I'm with the honey tone, bringing daddy money home, got me riding candy chrome. What that do? Shopping for a new beer, stunting on you boppers in the DJ booth, gigging with some punk rockers. She my running back player, I'm the quarterback. Send it down to Mexico, she bringing me the border back. Excuse me, miss, what's your name? I don't wanna tell you the same old thing. Drop it low, make it pop. I can do this all night, shorty. I don't wanna stop. I need a go, girl. I need a go, girl. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass. Walking like you tough until I walking like you tough until I walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass. Walking like you tough until I pull up and I smoke your ass.
Lana. That was hot. Ara, tangkun la shok lain na hot. Boys, gentlemen, girl na yar nom time ne pam palai phem lags. All the ladies, be silent. I want to give this special privilege to all the gentlemen present here. Shout out to Lana, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. How did you like what would you like to say about your performance? How was it?
It was good. It's just the floor is a bit slippery.
Okay, the floor is slippery. All right, we'll make sure it's not slippery next time. Let's hear it from Judge Song Ishim. Let's see what he thinks about your performance.
Like Sorintan said.
Hey, don't copy me, please. Be original.
It was hot.
Thank you, sir.
Well, that was a really good performance and like very energetic, I should say.
Thank you, sir.
I think you should also go for dance competition.
Thank
Like
you.
not only talent, you should also go for dance competition. Like you will definitely do well.
Yes, sir.
And I feel when I see you dancing on stage, I see Bollywood as well.
Thank
You
you,
will
sir.
sit really well in Bollywood, like music videos and things like that. So you should definitely try. And it was a really good performance.
Thank you so much, sir.
Do you see yourself in the semi-finals?
I don't know whether I'll be selected or not, but if I am,
Okay.
or if I'm not, I won't regret it because I've given my best on the stage.
Okay. Let's make sure she gets selected in the semi-finals.
Thank you.
For the boys' sake,
Oh,
right?
thank you.
Do you think we can see a hotter performance in the semi-finals?
I will show you something which no one has witnessed ever in Manipur.
Judges, please. Thank you so much.
thank
Nana.
you.
Thank you. I will show you something which you have never seen in Manipur before, Jericho. Ringwi Bashi Cho, please get ready. Itungwa akama host long sa leng limre. Migtea pakwe salo. All right. Next up, let's welcome Kohorting Kapai Shimra, a singer. Pampalang famous Yarina. Welcome Sakwisi.
Everyone, my name is Gordon Dubai Shimra. I am from Hung Village and I have been selected as one of the few candidates to participate and to compete in the 9th season of Ringo's Got Talent. I will be singing and come support us. We'll see you.
Check. Hello, everyone. The song which I'm going to sing is called Dancing on My Own. Somebody said you got a new friend, but does she love you better than I can? There's a big black sky over my down. I know where you at, I bet she's around. Yeah, I know it's stupid, but I just gotta see it for myself. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. And I'm right over here. Oh, why can't you see me? Oh no. But I give it in my all. I'm not the guy you're taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. I just wanna dance all night. And I'm so messed up, I'm so out of line. Stilettos and broken bottles, I'm spinning around in circles. I'm in the corner watching you kiss her. Oh no. And I give it in my all. I'm not the guy. No. And I give it in my all. I'm not
So far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing there. I just came to say goodbye. I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh, and I give it in my own. I'm not the guy you're taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. And oh, now, said I'm in the corner, watching you kiss her. Oh no, but I keep it in my own. I'm not the guy you're taking home. Ooh, I keep dancing on my own. And oh, now, so far away, but still so near. The lights come on, the music dies, but you don't see me standing here. Oh no. Thank you.
Kohorting Kapai Shimra. You've got a luscious voice. I like it. Actually, mga workshop sila. Participants being here. Uklung kai khai being mang thai ang. Laning jo lamang sa dalay ko mathana ye. You don't have to dance alone when I'm here for you. Anyway, okay. Judge, sorry, Chan. Please comment.
Hello, Korting. Yes, sir. Thankful now we. Tada jali lag sa no akoni mthana leko. Tada milim shile jang tada no akon kam thaje. Tada mthana sadle yishinai. Yeah. See you in the next round. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're going to the next round. Congratulations. See you tomorrow. Okay, next up we have a dance performance from Jaisin the Studio. Please welcome Jaisin the Studio dancers.
Hello everyone, we are dancers from Zaishin Dance Studio from Ukraine. Thank you.
We would like to take this opportunity to thank Leichil Packaged Drinking Water, the sponsor of drinking water of this event. We thank you for your generosity. We hope to be your partners in the years to come as we celebrate this great event together. Actually, event Leichil Packaged Drinking Water hina drinking water partner agsada sponsor samidalaye itum saiko na Leichil wiwang panglay na shik pemisila ning shipong shoksada. Thank you. Judges Bingley remind us how shidalaye actually dewdrops with President Mr. Mangashang, convener AC Rising, co-convener Michael na Lana K we dance semi-finals li makyang masapay tura the pongshok dalaye muchuk kazaglo dala hichongba hanglu shidalaye. I remind sa ngai chik sane malay sa kada kachi yaro na tongan la ka tom lu shidalaye chi hangman la ka Jaisin the Studio li. Welcome sakwi say pangpalang famous say.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Just
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want, want, want. What you want, want, want. Give it to me, baby, like boom, boom, boom. What I want, want, want is what you want, want, want. Nah, nah. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy, boy. Come here, rude boy. Come here, rude boy.
Let's go, boy. Low. ATL. Talk to him low. How could I possibly be inconspicuous? With my flow is fucking ridiculous. That's quite an accent. See, I'm from the south. But some of the most beautiful things come out my mouth. And I'm on stage just as soon as I come out the house. So I might as well give them something to talk about. I was a rap to make a blind man believe in the boogie. And if you came here, the move is easy. The boogie hollow. When you want me to come, hollow. When you want me to come, call me. When you want me to come, I'll be around. Yeah. Hollow. When you want me to come, hollow. When you want me to come, call me. When you want me to come, I'll be around.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up one more time for Jaisin Dance Studio. How was it? Is it tiring? Exhausted?
Yeah, it was.
Okay, take your time. Take your time. Meanwhile, I would like to request Judge Song Ashim to kindly comment on their performance.
Studio, right?
Yes, sir.
Well, before I comment on you, Sorendan, when there is something sexy, right? It's like in Tangkol we say it, "Fupe makes you already waiting on that near the stage. I can see that, okay?
Oh, are you talking about me?
Yeah. Okay. Zaishin, what I notice is while you're performing, I see efforts. That is something I would say. You have put a lot of efforts while, like, I'm sure during your practice you have put a lot of efforts and your coordination was really good. This is one of the best performances I've seen tonight.
Thank you, sir.
All the best.
We would like to see you again in the semifinals.
Thanks, sir.
All right, thank you so much. Give it up for Jaisin Dance Studio, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Next up, we have a very special person in our midst, the winner of Zingtun Got Talent 2024, Lashio Honsanpi Woleng. Let's welcome her on the stage.
Iwaming Honsanpi Woleng Hoi, I Sarah Kong now ne, I Zingtun Got Talent we winner ne. I Ari Ringway Got Talent season 9 years ang ray dara kay ne. Natum na support sa amin.
Hello, hello, Chen.
Another head
Yarui Ping na la shio hon san pi walling wang pang pang line ka pem lu shit sila. Judge James Riamai, what do you think about her performance? Hon San Pi.
On Sang-pi?
Yes.
Yeah. It was, frankly, it was going really great. But in few sections, I don't know what happened to your voice. It flipped a little. But still then the cover up, you did it really well. I kind of like you, yeah. You did it really well.
Thank you. Judge Sorry Chan, you predicted some contestants to be either in the semi-finals or like a winner or something somewhere like that. What do you think about her performance? Does she deserve to perform in the semi-finals?
Since you're the winner of Sington Got Talent, maybe I wanted to give you a chance. Yeah, it was a nice rendition, no doubt. Yeah, come back.
Okay. Would you like to say something to the judges? Will you be coming stronger in case if you are selected in the semi-finals? All right. We hope you will. We hope you will. Thank you so much. Rigwin now being pingai kaila. Kala guesping. Yao tu grabbing pingai kaila. We have two performers left, two contestants. Kanimang vadalayara, kanihina perform salaga ichi ajeng ya we program kokung saura. In a ring we Impalaka Klewa Achakum Lajkum la younger. Mom Talikle, are you having fun? How was it? Ningai never meet, you know. Ningai won't try. Mobile young Jenna. Ishonglin, she organizers Kaikana. Never now being Uklung leading Paisi. Mobile shock salala. Very nice. All right. Next up, we have a singer. Should we welcome her? Ali welcome Sakwi say. Kim Dam Ningai Tamim Lo in a Tata delay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on the stage Namrata Rai.
I'm Namrata Rai and I'm from Nepali community and I'll be singing. Hello, check. Good evening everyone. I'll be singing a song called Never Enough. Hello, check. I'm trying to hold my breath. Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment you set of a dream in me getting louder now. Can you hear it echoing? Will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shines of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough, never be enough. Never, 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 never for me, never enough. are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough for me. Never, 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 never for me, for me. Never enough, never, never, never enough, never, never, never enough for me, for me, for me. For me. Thank you.
Yes, Namrata, we understand it's never enough. And we will never get tired of seeing you perform. How is it like performing at Ringui's Got Talent? How is it?
Just new experience.
Okay. You like it here?
Yes, sir.
Boys, do you like her here? You know what? Song I want to you. Rarajiloyo. All right. Yes, she looks beautiful too. We would like to hear it from Judge Sorichan Nakede about Namrata's performance. How did she do it?
Hello, Namrata. What a
Hello, sir.
performance. What a performance.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we're going to choose 10 for semi-final round.
Yes, sir.
I have shortlisted 8 already. You are ninth
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
in my list, okay? So I have to
sir.
justify that you should be on the semi-final with my
Thank you, sir.
co-judges. Thank you.
How do you feel about the comment our judge gave?
Very excited for
Excited.
tomorrow.
Can we see more about you? Do you still have something much more in you?
Yes, sir. We'll
Great,
see you
great.
tomorrow.
Right. Congratulations. It was a good performance. Thank you so much. Thank you.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the last performer, the last performance of the night. Let us welcome the second position holder of Pratibha Bangalore College Dance Competition, Soso and Luiram. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause and welcome Soso and Luiram.
소소
Inalaram.
ini isang mga arko our next leader mutama ito sa fai plan sa lakad ko
Ari sagi da leda leda ida liji gdom leadership lo da hang khai di liste.
소소
Inalaram.
ini isang mga arko our next leader mutama ito sa fai plan sa lakad ko
Ari sagi da leda leda ida liji gdom leadership lo da hang khai di liste.
Express our gratitude to Lay Chill Packaged Drinking Water for sponsoring this great event. We'd like to see you again as our partners in the events to come as well. Thank you so much.
I'm sipping wine in a robe. I look too good to be alone. My house clean, my pool warm. Just shake smooth like a newborn. We should be dancing, romancing in the east wing and the west wing of this mansion. What's happening? I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open, open. Let you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight, baby. Tell me that you're coming through. You're so sweet, so tight. I won't bite unless you like. If you smoke, I got the haze. And if you're hungry, girl, I got the lace. Ooh, baby, don't keep me waiting. There's so much love we could be making. I'm talking kissing, cuddling, rose petals in the bathtub. Girl, it's jumping, it's bubbling. I ain't playing no games. Every word that I say is coming straight from the heart. So if you're trying to lay in these arms, I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open, girl. I'ma leave the door open. That you feel the way I feel, and you want me like I want you tonight, baby.
Yes, keep whistling, keep cheering. Judge, sorry, Jan, you said you have shortlisted 9, right? Out of the 10. Hina 10 sao mrawi. Ka miarno ba hing chere. Semi-final kala miarno ba hing chere. Ji hiwa kwali shin kang achung play da play ne. Congratulations, that was a great performance. Nani ka jiban no so ka jiban no luiram da.
So.
Okay, and I think I jine. Imang nam nim ko ya ruina. All right, it was a good performance. Let's hear it from Judge Songashim Rungsung. Did you like it?
Well, I'm really happy to see Chinaso coming back to dance again.
Thank you.
I know him since my college time, and he's been dancing really well since college. And he took a break for some time, but I'm really glad and I'm really happy that you have done really well in this performance. The chemistry between you and your partner is really good. The dance, the storyline in the dance itself is really good. So maybe you can be the 10th one. I'm not so sure, but we will talk about it. But yeah, it was really good. It was really good.
Okay, thank you so much.
Do you want to perform in the semi-finals?
Of course I do.
Taka miarno chunga bamdale atumli wasam pangmilo campaign ke teo chadlo judges pingli sam pangkhawai. We want to see you in the semi-finals as well. Ka COVID-19 hi macha thuirangai jogi the social distance teo ka maintain salo the request sadle. Sang naujine. It's all fair in love and works at the other dance le fair sa kaine. Thank you once again. Yang pai ya. Nextly, Ishi, that's the end of the performances. 21 contestants pingina. Aru ichili ko kung saira to na perform saira. Ara judges pingna top 10. Kapang hui vai mark the list hadale. Jena amai rising long jina. Atang we ishi we campaigns at kaiji umshung sangai ka ari karjan wasava ora judges pingle. And then Miss Papa nala dance akwa prepare sama mandale. Do you want to see her dance? Do you want to see Miss Papa on the stage? Pai, sang sakse. Yo. All right, judges being the Mark Telly Sadale laga. Let us welcome back on the stage Miss Ramchanpi Zinkai, the winner of RGT Season 8, and a perform Samili Chidre. Pang palai ke piasa yari.
Ramchan Piwi performance Witili Ningshang na perform Samira. Thank you so much. Ning chinai re ramchan phili kala aling yura mi dakle avungra nashishim kur ramchan phiwi singing career hili ya khaktom mi dale ji theilaga na thumli la ning shik changkhadai rukho ji he phongshok ngai dale ara sei chi ning shangli mi dale ning shang sei chi na khui mi aulo
Hello chị. Hello. Yêu track. Sao bài lấy la? Sao bài la? Okay. Đi chơi. Okay. Ram na ping. Thầy, Ram Lee. Hiện cái khám thả artist contestant nhá. Hiện cái khám thả ra được cái gì cái tông lạc say. Hiện rồi mong thui lùi say. Mong bài khổ nhá. Cái tông quy say cúp song lạc say. Okay. Ari ina jamla kai iwela tada country love song ya oktuan samigeyo. Okay. Music please. Sangum ba yang sangum bre ya. Yêu music hi asing esi na sing kami nei. Yêu fit. 유사리 3일 양 거의망 3요 옥투이원 중메이드라 레레 옥투이원 중메이 삼펑 레레 너리랑 거메이원 머삼펑 루이마라 레시야 장라홀 ngayashung 옥투이나 거허라 레레 심쿨나 마마 야미레레 이니위 dwing시 mga cheilui mara kapaning mga cheiluyasay Singum na cảm thấy hậu ra áp tâm na lòng thủy ảo ra cái ni vì lấy cái gì mà ngỡ chạy hôn là puta hậu ra thiên na nơ là thiên hậu ra cái ni vì lấy cái gì mà ngỡ chạy yang va lu thiên na ra happy yang galu keja sirapili shon geter le shon hai chẳng là hổ le chok hai ke ini wi lei ke shi ma tai mei zing kum na kan thui hau ra ap tam na long thui ao ra ke ini wi lei ke shi ma nga chei ya I want love but ta hậu ra thiên na na là thiên hậu ra cơ ý ni vì lấy cái gì mà ngỡ chơi song ai là gì đi song ai 이시 그 싱름 소 알고 네 이제 뮤직 인트로 사세요 Last course sang một chơi Dinh cùng nơ can thủy hậu rơ áp tâm nơ lòng thủy ảo rơ cái ni vì lấy cái gì mà ngỡ chơi I want love ta hậu rơ thiên na nơ là thiên ảo rơ cái ni vì lấy cái gì mà ngỡ chơi Nişeri.
Yarina, year lei cái song vang bang bang lang phe miao sai. La ke request ra lui de lei. audience we request judge Ping Maktali Samokup Narang ida hangle. Jena year like shungna actually mang church stage li chok milishit lojo. Shop higher legacy request rather lazy. Shop higher legacy. Yarina Yarsho year like shung liashi da pang like a pega welcome salushit say. Rihawena year like a shung.
Send some lay, yeah? Lay la. Okay. Hello. Ring Palayer, I'm now wing. Okay. Shapiro is something you taga. Music intro kasangkhani 다들 enjoy 사세요 야 그분님 까이 메이크업 그지 미어나오 그 아빵 강영조 와 냉시에레 please 아래 트랙 빠지 그때가 주면서 아래 리핏 3일로 트랙 빠지 그때가 미인라 만행라 트랙 빠지 그때가 미인라 오케이 니시 상음세양 상우레 아우레 그분님 까면 껍그 집안에 되게 그 사고 라야
Holly mother, I don't know we motherly. Mother tingly mother, Ning hin a nutty. Mashurali mother, Nana Gazat Bangachida. Sadulu, now we park a may, now winning a jam, meaning Chile. Shabbat like a sheep, Mang Shalom Lilo. Shabbat like a sheep, Mang Rayom Lilo. One cold kangaroo, meeting bait on the shade. In a tail like a sheep. Tiêu mà bay mà khô nín li mít này truy làm thiên bay cái truy thả ra giờ tu lú now we park a bay now we need a job meet in Chile Shabbat like a sheep mang cái shalom willow Shabbat like a sheep Maguray ong lilo Magkanang lilo Ning machopiyalo Changa hayo kumhili Magashalong lilo Shabbat like a sheep Magashalong lilo Maguray ong lilo Shabbat like a sheep Magashalong lilo
Nisha.
Ning shi nai re, ning shang li, tang khu wi theme song la ke, shabai ra le ge shi, ngana la lama pen mane, ako malang ngana li shitra, achuwi, participants being he, competitive sana ghai thali, judges being he, decision mo khuira thura, jeni itam na patience le lagay na, ngaray mi dak le jitay laga ning yang ung naye, event partners being akshida chitay lishit ngay dalaye. Manipur Tourism, our event partners are Manipur Tourism, SSA Government of Manipur, the Indigenous Foundation, Leichil, Hill Sound Delhi, the Tangkul Express, Extreme Entertainment, WOL Media, Zaisin Dance Studio, Aura, Angshanyu Production, Ukrul School of Music, 3-in-1 Hotel Pungritang Ukrul. Our event partners are Manipur Tourism, SSA Government of Manipur, the Indigenous Foundation, Leichil, Hill Sound Delhi, the Tangkul Express, Extreme Entertainment, WOL Media, Zaisin Dance Studio, Aura, Angshanyu Production, Ukrul School of Music, 3-in-1 Hotel Pungritang Ukrul. And also we would like to extend our special thanks to Leichil Package Water for sponsoring us generously in this event. This is the opening ceremony of Ringoi's Got Talent Season 9 with the theme Win Hard or Die Trying. This is a state-level talent hunt, a call for peace in Manipur. Today is the day 1 of Ringoi's Got Talent Season 9, the 3rd of March 2024, happening now at Ringui Village, Ukrul District. There were 21 contenders, out of which 10 will go to the semi-final, 10 will compete for the semi-final, after which there will be grand finale. There will be semi-final and grand finale tomorrow. 21 contenders has competed for the Ringoi's Got Talent Season 9, out of which 10 will be participating in the semi-final and grand finale tomorrow, the 4th of March 2024, here at Ringui Village, Ukrul District. We are going live at the Tangkul Express. Thank you so much, online viewers, for staying with us until now. Thank you for your supportive words. We hope to see you again tomorrow at the Tangkul Express live stream. And also, I would like to take this time to felicitate Ramchandpi Zingkai. Ramchandpi Zingkai. For this, may I call upon Dr. Shonyotem Ngalung on the stage. Ari atam hi Ramchandpi Zingkai li felicitate sami ngai dalaye. Chi na Ramchandpi Zingkai na stage li kakamilo laka request ngai dalaye Dr. Shonyotem Ngalung, Vice President Dutrops. Vice President Dutrops, Dr. Shonyotem Ngalung, Vice President Dutrops. Naning gishi ay na panglan kasamilo Ramchandpi Zingkai li. Lava masamra achiva. Ning chinay re. Hiya kakasikili. Lungsan lakay na siya pa sa mi daklewi wangla ning shinay re Ramchandpi Zingkai. Nawi career mahay mayroon no platform hakkamay la present sa washroom lo. Tangkul itum na la support sa chingra. Chung mayda. Lungsan mayda. Mataw mayda. Zadvalo gajihi hang jipun ngay dalaye. Church Judge Bing Natali sa Mamandalaye, Ngaray Mamandalaye, Quisa Muhungdalaye, Ngaray Lakse, Ashimi Tara, Hi Kibana Quilak Nikla. We shall wait for the 10 contenders. The audience are still here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, both online and offline viewers. And I request the online viewers to come back tomorrow too, because the semi-final and grand finale will be held tomorrow. Thank you so much to our 1,000 online viewers. Thank you so much for your support. Online viewers li meeting ka lang da na yang da klene na tum gotong li ning sinako kamata feedbacks la kamilak lo ngacheng sak ngai leila la kamata tuihan chan han ai na kahang milaglo ning sinare na tum na yang kamiwang la ning sinaye hilipam da kle la ning pam da kle bingli la ning shie arava atum 10 contenders ini wi pangli la yai re Jaina, may I request the contenders to get ready? The result is here. And as we go towards the stage, we will call each and every one of you on the stage. And the top 10 contenders will be called out from there. Since there are winners, there had to be losers. I don't want to say losers, failures. Because failures in life are a gift to us, because we can go a step further because of today's failure. So, I request all the contenders to get ready. We are going to the stage. All the contenders.
Dear judges, how long should we wait? Is it ready? Thank you so much.
May I request all the contenders on the stage? Let's have a talk show by Sorintan Hare.
And a dance show by Papa Gachui. Shock me, say, come up a little bit. Let's give a good view to our audience and also online viewers.
So, ladies and gentlemen, these are your contenders. Ooh.
Yirley, welcome back. Yeah, come here, come. All right. Come this side a little bit. We can't see you. Come closer. Get closer. Are you not feeling cold? Yes. All right. The result is with me here. The top 10 contenders who have been selected for the semi-finals. You'll be performing tomorrow. All right. We won't take much time. We won't take much of your time. And just before we declare the results, we would like to thank our 3 respected judges for your hard work and for giving your thoughts and advice and suggestions to enhance the skills of our raw talents here. Okay, here's a quick update. We will be selecting top 15. So 5 more spots have been added here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the results? Contestants, are you ready? All right, and don't be disappointed even if your names are not called out. You are all winners. All right. Okay. In the first participant going to the semifinals is Mr. Songyai Chahongnao. Songyai, can you please step out? Hilig still ko shock me all na semifinal va kay nara. Up semifinal pe chala gaya. All right, the next contestant is Mr. Ngariao So. Ngariao So. Okay, Ngariao So, yes, congratulations. And the third contestant is Mr. Toting. Toting Soro, yes. The fourth contestant, Mr. Nepuni. Mr. Nepuni. Right. And Mr. Kohorting. Mr. Kohorting.
Followed by Miss Namrata Rai. Namrata Rai will be followed by Honsan P. Honsan P. Honsan P will be followed by Mirin Won. Mirin Won. Mirin Won will be Mirin Won will be followed by Blessing. Blessing. And the next contender we have Soso and Luiram. Soso and Luiram for their dance performance, followed by Zaisin Dance Studio. Zaisin Dance Studio followed by Ngam Kuhring. Ngam Kuhring will be followed by Yuri Moon. Yuri Moon will be followed by K Charani. Charani will be followed by, last but not least, Kipamra audience. Audience, any guess? Any guess? Okay, the last contender we have, Yirle Kashur. Congratulations to all the winners, and then to all the participants. Thank you so much for participating in this event. Because of your participation, we're able to hold this event. Thank you so much. We shall take a photo session. All of us will be taking a photo session first, after which the top 15 contenders will be taking a photo session. So please come towards the stage. Everyone, all the contenders, yes, all the contenders. With the judges and the organizing committee, and our chief guest who has stayed with us until the end, which is very rare for a chief guest.
Mix up.
Thank you so much.
We'll take a quick...
Everyone. Thank you so much for your participation. The top 15 contenders, please stay back. Top 15 contenders. Yeah. Top 15 contenders. And good night, everyone. This is the end of the first round of Ringoi's Got Talent Season 9. We shall meet again tomorrow for the semi-final and grand finale. See you all tomorrow.